Today we're gonna do a DIY
Yes.
challenge of making fluffy slime.
Say yes.
Yes.
This should be fun because I mean our 2-year-old he likes to get into a whole bunch of mess. So why not let him play with something that he'll actually enjoy?
Are you ready? We gotta put all the glue. First step is you gotta put all the glue in this bowl. Here, Junior.
Here. Are you gonna give him double?
Put it in here. See? Look at that.
Oh,
Here you go.
look, we can squeeze it.
Squeeze. Say squeeze.
Cheese.
You gotta make sure all of it's out. Wow, there's a lot of glue in these little things.
Yeah.
Squeeze, Junior, squeeze.
My God. Here, let me help you, Dad. Squeeze.
Cheese.
Yes.
Uh-oh. Here you go.
Squeeze. No, don't spear it, man.
Ugh.
Squeeze. Oh, you squeeze. Here, let me help.
Oh my God, I didn't realize how much glue was in these things.
Mama,
What?
nothing.
All gone. All done.
Mama.
Okay. I think that's good.
Here.
Here, you want to pick a color? What color should we do? You want to do red?
Can we
Green.
do it like different colors? 2 different ones? Or?
Oh gosh, no, we're just gonna
don't
do.
that.
Let's just do one.
This is the one. Here.
That's yellow.
That's. Oh, it is yellow. Well, what? Okay.
You want to do? There's red, blue, and green.
Let's do. Which one you want to do, Dad?
This.
You want to do
Okay.
green?
You're
Right
welcome.
here. You gotta open it. Here.
Cheese.
Hold on, don't squeeze yet.
I think we may need a spoon for this.
You think so? And we use all this, babe?
Just do a couple drops.
Just a couple drops. Here. Here.
Count 1.
2,
You gotta spread it all around.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes.
Here,
All
take
right.
that.
You gotta stir.
Come.
What are you trying to say?
He's excited.
Here. Look.
Cheese.
Wow.
Come on, listen.
Oh, that's neat. Oh, it stinks.
Yeah.
Oh, get it.
Oh, no, here. You gotta keep staring it. Here. Come on, stare.
Should we, you want to add blue? What is green and blue made?
Don't get me wrong. Come on. Oh, come on.
He wants to put some of that yellow in.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
You want yellow?
Yeah.
Wow.
First time I ever heard him say yellow.
Oh, okay.
Hold on, no, we gotta keep it here.
Here.
Cheese.
1,
2, 3, 4.
Ew, this looks like poop.
No, I'm cold.
No, not 4. All I was doing was making like a lime green.
1, 2, 4, 5, 2. Mama.
There's there.
Oh.
No more. It's all empty. You gotta help Mama. What's this?
Okay, I think that looks good enough.
Think so?
Okay, next is gonna be shaving cream. So I'll hold this.
Here, Dad. Oh yeah, by the way, I call my son Dad for some odd reason.
Uh-oh.
Are you coming out? Push. Push. How much are you using it?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I think some more.
Push. You gonna do it? No, not that way. Here. You can't put it this way.
Wow, that smells good.
Push. Oh, we need to put it. Yo! Now see.
I put a little bit more in. Just a little bit. Are you having fun?
Here.
Push.
Here.
I got it. Okay. Oh, Mama's arm's getting tired.
Hold on. No more.
Sir, if there's any other DIY stuff that you guys want us to do, just leave a comment down below and we'll do them, okay?
Yeah, we attempt.
Attempt. Say hey.
Hey.
Are you having You got it?
Oh my God. He's oh mama.
We want.
I bet I can't open it.
I get her.
I think this is a fail.
Sassy.
It's just. I think that's what's sticking it up.
Oh shoot. My hands is too slippery.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Whoa!
Look at Dada's hands.
Oh my God.
What?
Yeah, baby, that's enough. Hey, that's enough.
It can't be sticky. It can't be gooey.
It's what you mean.
It's got to be firm like in a ball.
Oh.
Babe, look at this.
Stir it.
Ew.
It's coming out of the bucket.
Keep stirring.
I can't feel my hand. Oh God. Oh God. It's coming.
Oh God.
Oh God.
Oh
Yeah, keep working it. See?
Oh.
That. Yuckies.
See? I don't think it's a fail. Look.
Oh my God. It's everywhere. Yeah.
This is a arm workout.
Yeah, mine, dude.
Oh, look at this.
Oh. Ooh.
You just gotta work it.
Oh, it's coming off the table.
I know, you gotta work it.
Somewhat.
Ew.
Are you having fun?
No, next.
This is fun.
It is. You like it, Dad?
Oh, this.
Well, you guys, this was fail, but kind of a success because we got to enjoy doing this with our child, but it was a fail. Yeah, it
I
was
think
a
I've
fail.
got it. Look.
She don't got it.
I don't think I got it, you guys.
But if you guys have something that y'all want us to do, a DIY, then put it in the comment section down below. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on those notifications.
And don't forget to like
And
share.
Peace.
Say peace.
Please.
Say bye.
Bye.